Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Let's see where Bank Nifty will move tomorrow, what strategy we need to apply, where we need to position ourselves. Friends, yesterday we clearly discussed as soon as the market crosses 38,400, we'll be looking to buy the market. So at the Telegram channel, when I saw this point at 23,000 contracts been sold and there was a little bit of an imbalance, I said you to buy the call option somewhere here and the stop loss was like 20 points of the stop loss. The market went nearly 50 to 60 points higher and then it rotated all the way down. I was just watching the market. At some point here, the institution was accumulating. As you can notice, like when the market is coming down, no one is selling at these levels. You can notice like the selling was very light and selling was very light. Just only here the institution has sold with a large orders, but the price didn't go downside. So in the Telegram channel, I gave you to buy at 38,300 calls. So 38,300 calls which I gave you to buy at 305, which went high of a 700 was the high. So what was the reason behind was like you can notice here, whenever the price is coming, the seller is selling, but someone is buying at these levels. So it was very much clear like the buyer is in the market, and there was 2 to 3 days the market was in sideways mode. So I was expecting today a big breakout either side. The breakout was on the higher side, as I noticed here like the buyer was accumulating at the lower levels, then he auctioned at a higher points and it bidded on the higher side on the all the ways. It went up to 38,900. I was expecting a target of 39,000, but it couldn't touch the 39,000. It went up to 38,900 in the futures and 38,800 or 850 in the cash market. As you can notice, once the accumulation has been started, it bidded up on the higher side. As soon as it crossed this swing, the stop losses got triggered and the market went all the way on the higher side. So if you look at a 5 minutes chart, here you can notice an M pattern. So I'll be explaining you M pattern very clearly why this happens in the classes. So when the market went at 38,900 levels, you can notice here someone has lifted 27,000 contracts, but still the seller was sitting here. Once again the price came on the lower side and again it retested on the higher side. You can notice like there was a big sell orders and immediately all the stop losses got triggered and it got flushed into where it has started. So as of now the view is like completely negative view. The Bank Nifty is not showing any strength. So we might see a more sell-off in the market. Let's see the structural format of the Bank Nifty. I'll take you at a one day time frame. In a 1 day time frame, where you can notice very clearly, whenever the price is reaching at 38,000 levels, 38,800 levels, the price is getting rejected. That means 38,800 levels acts as a very key resistance for the Bank Nifty. And even I would say like 38,400, 38,500, 600, all these levels will act as a key resistance for the Bank Nifty. So what strategy we need to apply for tomorrow's market? I'll take you at a 15 minutes time frame. In a 15 minutes time frame, you can notice there was an accumulation phase here. As the accumulation went, the price was bidding on the higher highs, and it auctioned all the way at the higher levels. And there was a large orders, and the large orders has flushed the market on the lower side. So if the market opens flat, we'll be looking to sell the market. As soon as the market crosses this swing is like 38,100, we'll be selling the market and we'll be targeting up until 37,600, 37,800. So first target should be like 37,800. I don't think the 38,000 will be a psychological point anymore, because 38,000 it has been tested once. It came all the way to second time and now the price is closed below this. So 38,000 won't be a key support for the market. So it might come in the flow to the downside. So as soon as the market opens flat, we'll be looking to buy the market. As soon as it crosses the swing, we'll be looking to buy the market and we'll be buying a put options, and we'll be targeting first target should be like 37,800 and second target should be like 37,600. If the market starts to go on the higher side, we'll avoid the market because the seller has sold very aggressively here. Even if the market is going on the higher side, we might find a multiple resistance to the market, and it might bounce on the lower side. So on the call side, we'll completely avoid it. We won't be buying the market. We'll be looking to sell the market below 38,100. So our target should be like 37,800 and 37,600. Please try to take one or two lots of a calls which I'll be providing at a Telegram channel, so that you can understand like what is happening in the market, rather than you can saying like you can understand your psychology, what is the reason behind why I'm giving the calls. As you've noticed, like past from 3-4 days, none of the stop losses got triggered. Most of the days, every day we are ending up within a green. The reason is simple. As I'm looking the charts, and as well as I'm looking the orders from the where the orders are coming, and what is the negative, what is the sentiment is flowing in the market. Is it a directional sentiment or is it a sideways sentiment? Basis on that I am providing the calls for you. So please do subscribe the Telegram channel, and if you like it, please press the bell icon button and please share it to your friends. Why I am saying not to buy the market, as you can notice here 38,400 will be acting a key resistance level. As soon as even the market goes on the higher side, it will auction on the lower side. So we'll be waiting to cross this swing. As soon as the market crosses this swing, we'll be looking to sell the market, and we'll be targeting up until 38,800. And more than Bank Nifty, the Nifty is looking very much weak. As you have seen, like 195 points been sold in a Nifty. So even if the Nifty is coming on the lower side, the Bank Nifty will also come very fastly on the lower side. I think on the after the budget, the market might auction lower, and it might even retest again to 37,000 and 36,000 once again, because the market went one side rally. Market has done a one side rally. It should never happen. The market should have to retrace back, and it has to go on the higher side, or the market has to go on the higher side and it has to absorb, and then it has to go on the higher side. The market has went from 36,000 to 38,000 on one way rally, so it might even come on the lower side very fastly. Well, if any market moving news comes, I'll update at the Telegram channel. Please do subscribe my Telegram channel and press the bell icon button.